Let's change the drop links on this Land Rover Freelander. I'll show you how to do it.
That side you can hear it chopping now.
See a bit loosey-goosey on that one. Okay, we're on the other side now. What did we say these were called? Drop links.
Drop links.
Drop links here. Was a bit of a to get out. I had to get the vice grip on this end to undo the 19mm nut. So it's a 17 on the top, 19 on the bottom. Got the replacement part here, nice and shiny, nice and new. For your Land Rover, the part number is, oh, you can't see it, TC933, so that's Delphi for the drop link. Okay, so now just the reversal of what we did on the other side. Pop that in there, bolt it all down, torque it up to factory, job done. Now there's an Allen key head just on this bolt as well, so if you're tightening this nut up and it starts spinning, just put an Allen key inside of there. It hasn't actually spun for me just now, so we'll call that good. And again, that's not spinning. Click! Done. Get the wheel back on. Tighten that back up. Right, that's that job all done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, leave some comments, tell me if I did anything wrong. But client's complaint now is fixed, so they're happy. See you in the next one.